Let AutoMarker split some pieces if they don't fit in the marker width. We show an example with the waistband of a trouser. The waistband fits in the size 36 but is too big in the size 44. The position where the system should split the piece is to be indicated by a reference point in CAD Assist. Start AMC upload and login in AutoMarker. Select the marker to be laid. Select one appropriate profile. Activate the option Auto Split. You can define which seam allowance is to be added at the split position. Indicate a name for the AutoMarker job. If you desire, you can save the profiles in order to use it later again. Send the marker to AutoMarker. And this is the result. AutoMarker has split only the waistband of the size 44 because it didn't fit in the marker width.